What is metabolism, and how does metabolism help to lose weight fast? What is metabolism? Metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. A high metabolism means that your body can burn more calories, even when you're at rest. This can help you lose weight quickly and efficiently. How does metabolism help to lose weight fast? There are several things that you can do to boost your metabolism and help lose weight fast. Eating smaller meals more frequently can help increase your metabolism, as can exercising regularly. You can also try taking metabolism-boosting supplements, such as green tea extract or caffeine. If you're looking to lose weight quickly, boosting your metabolism is a great place to start. By following these tips, you can help your body burn more calories and shed unwanted weight quickly and easily. Number 1. Get lots of exercises. Exercise is one of the high-quality methods to enhance your metabolism. Regular exercising assists you to shed undesirable kilos and preserve them off for good. Exercise is one of the high-quality methods to enhance your metabolism. A latest take-a-look at confirmed that individuals who exercising frequently are much more likely to keep their weight reduction over the years than folks that don't. So if you are seeking to enhance your metabolism and lose weight, ensure to encompass exercising on your plan. Number 2. Eat a healthful diet. Eating healthful meals can assist to enhance your metabolism and help weight reduction. Be certain to include lots of lean protein, fruits, vegetables, and complete grains on your diet. Skip the sugary drinks and snacks. Sugar can ingest weight gain, so ditch sodas, energy drinks, and dangerous snacks and choose water instead. Number 3. Get sufficient sleep. Lack of sleep can result in expanded calorie intake and might sluggish down your metabolism, affecting weight reduction. Most human beings want at the least 7-8 hours of sleep for you to feature nicely in the course of the day. Getting too little sleep has been connected to depression, anxiety. Number 4. Avoid sugary and fatty meals. Meals excessive in sugar and fats can sluggish down your metabolism and result in weight gain. So keep away from all those meals. Number 5. Drink lots of water every day. A minimum of 8 glasses of water should be consumed every day. You need to be hydrated properly. Dehydration could lead to various health problems like fatigue, headaches, etc. If you like the video, like and subscribe.